Hey guys, this is Gage Arnold down here at Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. Today I'm showing you this 2015 Dodge Challenger SXT. So you see it's gray in color. What we're going to be doing today is doing a little walk around on it so you can see it from every angle, and then we're going to do a little test drive in it. So let's check it out. Alrighty, let's check out the inside. So you see it is that black cloth interior. Looks like it has powered seats. Alright, let's hop in. And it is a push button start. So you can see right here it has 25,000 miles on it. So that is still under the factory warranty. Now this does have the 3.6 V6 in it, so it's going to have plenty of power. You can see it's been kept in very good condition, very clean car, inside and outside. Alright guys, let's take it for a drive. So you can see here it does have this manual mode. If you did choose to shift it up and down on your own, you do have that option, so that's pretty cool. So like I said, it does have that 3.6 V6 in it. The torque is 268 and it's 305 horsepower. For a sports car, it actually does get pretty good gas mileage. Gas mileage. You're getting 19 in the city and 30 on the highway. So, depending on how you drive it, it's going to be somewhere around 25 miles to the gallon is what you'll average. But if you have a little bit more of a lead foot, not quite that good, and vice versa. So we talked about the horsepower, the fuel economy. Another big feature that Dodge has really done really well on these is just the comfort and how this drives. You don't really feel any of the bumps. They used to, sports cars used to be sports cars and luxury cars used to be luxury cars. Now you kind of get the best of both worlds. So it's a really smooth drive. A lot of cushion in the seat. Just a very comfortable ride. Now I'm going to get on this little straightaway and show you the acceleration that it has. So as you can see, that was about 0 to 60 in no time at all. It didn't have any trouble at all.